and welcome to TIBCO Cloud Integration. In this Series 3 of the video session, we will introduce you to our trainings and workshops. These complement each other and empower you with strong knowledge base for Scribe. So let's go take a look at them. In addition to articles and tutorials that are out there for you to reach and learn, TIBCO also provides you with training sessions. These sessions are free and easy to register for. There are two levels of training that TIBCO provides. There is a level 1 and level 2. Level 1 is self-paced, and for those individuals requiring a much broader and deeper understanding of TIBCO Scribe Online, as well as for those seeking product certification. At the end of level 1 training, we do offer that option to get certified for Scribe. Level 2 is also free. However, we do require you to register. It is very simple. Just fill out this form and click submit, and you can attend the next upcoming session. The sessions do span over a period of 3 days and is a hands-on training session. The dates for EMEA sessions and US sessions are always updated. So please do bookmark this page and keep abreast of the upcoming dates when the trainings are available. Last but not the least are the continuing series of workshops. Each one of these workshops takes a deep dive into a piece of functionality for a capability of the platform. These sessions are monthly workshops, and sometimes we do have 2 of them running in a month. All these sessions are recorded in case you are unable to make for any of these upcoming workshops. We do maintain a library of past workshops that are always accessible to you to add to your knowledge base and come to and have access to any particular topic that may be of interest to you. These workshops also require you to register, and the instructions for registering for the workshops are provided up here in the page itself. So we look forward to seeing you in one of these sessions pretty soon. You will find the trainings and workshops very useful. So please do not hesitate to reach out to us. We want to make sure that your integration is a success. Thank you for listening. Take care. Bye.